Hey, what's up, Isaac? This is Brandon from North Point Development. I wanted to take this time to shout out some of your amazing achievements and awesome work ethic you displayed during your Northland CAPS internship this spring. You jumped headfirst into the field of data science, where we had you collecting parcel data, which is a critical piece in a prototype software we have that aids in our site selection to properly place industrial warehouses. Your efforts played a critical role in the advancement of this project. Second half of your internship, we had you collecting multifamily data records from all over the United States. This data will eventually be used in a machine learning algorithm to identify the best places to build apartments. This will help North Point place warehouses where hundreds of people will eventually work. This will increase wages and standard of living in future apartments that families will call home. So great job, Isaac. You've done well during your final year in high school, and I look forward to hearing from you about your future accomplishments in college and beyond. And finally, congratulations on your major achievements outside of your internship, which include being a 300-meter hurdle varsity track star, being nominated for prom king, participating in your band program, and most importantly, finishing high school. Isaac, please stay in touch. You have a family at North Point Development. Thank you for your time and effort spent here, and congratulations and good luck in your future accomplishments. I'm confident that you'll be successful.
Hey there, Alyssa. From everyone here at Uncover KC and myself, I just want to say thank you so much for everything you did this semester. You're unbelievable at just taking something and running with it, and being able to just show you how to do it once, and you get it. It's awesome. I can't tell you how impressive that is, and how much that'll serve you going forward. So, just keep following your passions. Just keep knocking stuff out. We loved having you, and I hope we can stay in touch as you progress through your school and career. Thank you again, my friend.
From the Hollis and Miller team and from the immersion professionals, we just want to congratulate Jade and Ryan for their much efforts throughout this semester. It was an awesome experience just to see them learn and grow from this experience and helping us through this project. And we are more than confident and happy knowing that with this experience that they'll be taking on professional careers and successful professional careers in the future. So Jade and Ryan, I hope you have learned from us as much as we have learned from you, and you continue working hard as you have and keep your creativity going. And because we're excited to see, and hopefully in the future we shall one day see each other in the professional world.
Hey John, this is Tammy from Off the Beaten Path, cookiecutter.com. We sure have enjoyed you.
This is Becky. You've been great help this semester, and we're so proud of you, and we hope that you do well in the future. And we're always here if you need anything.
Come back and visit. Thanks.